exhibition right here at Muang Thong Thani. I am with the second generation of LTD Nature Craft Company with the new authentic brand's name. So could you please tell us about for the company's background or any highlight product today?
Okay. We have started in 2003 with the main focus of creating nature products. And now we produce many products from hemp, which the original properties of hemp is it can prevent the UV ultraviolet for 95% and anti-fungi, antibacterial, and they have like a good odor, like they can prevent, they have the property of water repellent. At first we try to make it like a export only the textile, and now we change it into shoes, bags, and hats, or many things. And but everything we produce from organic hemp, from the starter of planting until the finished product. We use the natural way. Now every product are under the brand name Hemp Thai, and we try to promote this brand name to the worldwide.